kindness. Today, I have an interesting snippet from the life of an inspiring Indian. Can we continue our Guess Who game here? Here goes the story. A man was born in a middle-class family in Gujarat. After completing his studies, he wanted to pursue law, but his family couldn't afford it. So, he started making tireless efforts to save money. In the meantime, he got married and had 2 children. Guess what? His passion for law didn't die. Finally, with all the hard-earned money, he made it to London and completed his law degree. He came back to India and pursued his profession with utmost passion. Well, life has its own twists and turns, yeah? His wife got ill and was hospitalized, but he had to argue in the final hearing of an important case. While at this important job, he got a note passed on to him. He read it, put it in his pocket, and continued his argument. Finally, he won the case. Now, the judge asked him, "You received some note in the middle of your argument. Was that any additional clue to win the case?" This man replied in a grief-struck voice, "No, it was a note that said my wife had expired," and started rushing to the hospital. It left everyone speechless then as much as it did us now. Such a committed man, leaving his coveted profession for the sake of the country, is history. By the way, have you found out who this great man was? Yes, it's none other than the Iron Man of India, the architect of one united nation, India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Even the tallest statue of the world, the Statue of Unity, erected in Gujarat to commemorate his birth anniversary on 31st October, cannot match his courage, commitment, and diplomacy. Once in a blue moon, such great leaders aiming sky high with their foot firmly on the ground are born. Such leaders make our nations and this world a better place for all of us to live in. If we cannot be one such leader, we can all be followers to draw inspirations from their life. Jai Hind.